Hi guys, what's up? If you watched a few of my last videos, you may know that I changed my car about 4 weeks ago. I always want to know a little bit more about my car. I also want to try to take care of my car, even if it's not a Porsche or Ferrari or whatever. I want to check something. My car is diesel. I want to check this MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. I don't know if someone did that before. This car is now 6 years old, 100,000 kilometers, a little bit more. So I want to check how it is. It should be pretty easy job. I have some sensor cleaning spray which is made for these kind of things. I wouldn't use brake cleaner or any other stuff because those might leave some kind of a residue for this sensor. That this one is made for something like that. So let's take it apart and look how clean or dirty it is. First I have to take this away. And the sensor is here. So I will just remove this connector. There is a clip and like so. Connector looks pretty good and clean. I don't need anything here. So TX20. There is a rubber seal, so it might be a little bit oh. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure this is original, never cleaned before. That looks terrible. This is also something I wouldn't touch with anything sharp to the sensor which is there inside. I will just try first to spray it out with this cleaner spray. Let's see. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. So this blue one, that's the sensor. And now I can finally see it. How this can even work like that. Some of this stuff is pretty hard. But I think this blue one, that's the main thing. I have to let it dry about 15 minutes, then I will put it back. Wow, that was a surprise for me. It's been about 10-15 minutes. And just put it back. This cleaner should not do anything for the plastic or the rubber, so we should be fine.
Hi Marco.
Hi. This back on. And it's done. All this stuff, this black stuff, was around this tiny little sensor. I'm a little bit surprised now. I drove this car to our parking place. I cleaned the sensor and then I took a test drive. And I'm not gonna lie, I think this engine is smoother. I think it runs smoother. Of course, this is not a scientific test or anything, but I have this feeling that it's running smoother. Is that possible? But I don't get it, how this small tiny sensor can even work right when it's full of garbage. Maybe the more shocked I am, I know this is a GM original part, maybe even straight from the factory. This car was in service few times, of course, oils, liquids, filters, stuff like that. Why no one cleaned this sensor? One of the most important sensors for the diesel engine. I have to do the same thing for airflow sensor. If you have a diesel, do it. Go, do it now. But use the right kind of liquid made for these kind of sensors. Don't use brake cleaner. I know we all have this and maybe someone will use it and with the good results, but that's not recommended. I'm surprised. See you guys next time.